Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to promote Temu affiliate links on TikTok. All right, let's begin. First of all, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be on the home page. Here, you have to simply search for the products or the category of your product that you want to promote on TikTok. Once you have selected your product, open it up and this page will appear. Now I'm going to copy the link by tapping on the share icon. Also, make sure to download the photos of the products. In case you can't find the Save Photos option, you can just screenshot the images. Next, open the TikTok app and make sure to log in. Then, tap on the plus icon at the bottom and then select the pictures of the product one by one. After selecting the pictures, tap Next. Enter the description of your product and paste the URL. You can type anything, then paste the URL, and then publish the post. So that's basically how you can promote Temu affiliate links on TikTok. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.